Chebe will not grow your hair, neither will it grow it overnight or in the next 1 week or in the next 1 month. No. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to specially thank all my subscribers and those watching my videos but have not subscribed. I want to say thank you for watching my videos, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for your support. And if you're just watching my video for the first time, you're new to this channel, please kindly consider subscribing to this channel. On this channel I talk more about natural hair care practices and ways to grow your hair, and also I do a lot of DIYs because I believe in natural and organic ways of growing your natural hair. So today's video I'm going to be talking about Chebe. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what Chebe is, and if at all is worth the hype, and something that you should consider using. Chebe, as we know, originated from Chad. The women of Chad have been using Chebe for centuries, like for long. They've been using Chebe powder, and it's said to make their hair grow long, or rather it's said to help them retain length. The women of Chad have long hair up to their waist length, some even way past their butt length. So right from their childhood they've been maintaining a consistent regimen of using Chebe. They apply it every 3 to 4 days. So they just remove the old Chebe that has been applied and kind of reapply. So it's just a process of reapplying it over and over again, and it has been working for them. Experts says Chebe will not make your hair to grow long. Chebe does not grow your hair. Your hair grows naturally. Everybody, like I always say on this channel, your hair grows. Your hair grows from your scalp. So the issue we are having to deal with so many naturals is breakage. So if your hair is growing and you're losing them at the tip through breakage, so you're not seeing, to you your hair is not growing, so you're not seeing any growth, but your hair is actually growing. What you're trying to work towards is retaining length. So Chebe does not just make your hair to grow, it doesn't do that, but Chebe will help you to retain length because of the ingredients it has. So some of those ingredients that are in this what we call this Chebe powder are cherry seed, lavender scrotum, tree sap, cloves. And what struck me about this ingredient is the cloves. So if Chebe has cloves in it, I'm definitely going to be loving it. And I've always been loving Chebe. I've been using Chebe since I started my hair growth journey. I've been using Chebe and I consistently use Chebe. Cloves in that Chebe makes your hair to look thicker. So if you watch people who use Chebe and the way they apply it, it actually makes the hair thicker. So when they apply the Chebe, their hair looks sort of full, thicker, and well moisturized. So cloves in it makes the hair appears to be thick, and in the long run, if you're consistent using it, your hair is actually going to look thick and full. The Chebe seed actually is what helps you to retain moisture in your hair. While Chebe will not grow your hair, but will help you retain length because it is helping you to keep moisture in your hair for a long period of time. Just like we know, moisture is the key to length retention. So if you can keep your hair moisturized for days, like you're good to go. So this is not a one size fits all. Some people actually don't appreciate using Chebe. So it's not that if you don't use Chebe, your hair will not grow. Your hair will grow. If the problem we have, especially with most people, they want to know, what do you use for your hair? Not actually what I use for my hair is the hair care practices, because what is actually making us to lose our hair, or rather not retain length, is bad hair care practices. Chebe will not grow your hair, neither will it grow it overnight or in the next 1 week or in the next 1 month. No, it's going to help you to retain length if you use it correctly, And also, if you have a good hair care practice, it's not compulsory. You don't have to do what everybody is doing, what is trending. No, if you're not up for it, you don't have to. What is more important is having a regular hair care routine, consistent. Be consistent with it, be faithful to it. If really what you're looking to get is a long hair, healthy hair, if that's what you want, there's work in it. You have to put in the work by consistently, applying the methods of moisturizing your hair, washing your hair frequently, and all those stuff. People are not patient enough. Like, they just use something today and they want to see the results today, which is not possible. It's not done. It's not done. It can't happen. It's not possible, guys. It's not possible. So it takes time. You have to be patient to see the result of something. That goes for any other product you use on your hair, whether it's an oil, whether it's butter, whether it's Ayurvedic Hair, whatever it is. Nobody is going to give you anything that will work overnight. Trust me, guys. There is none. So it takes consistency, constantly doing something, a particular thing, and over time you will see the results. Having said this, I just felt to tell my viewers, since I'm using Chebe on my channel, I just felt like letting you guys know what Chebe is all about, and if it's really important, you can deduce on your own if Chebe is something you want to use. Like I said, if you don't use Chebe and you have a good hair care practice, your hair will grow. And if you still want to use Chebe, it's just going to add a bit of volume to your hair. Yes, Chebe does add volume to your hair. It strengthens your hair. Those benefits you cannot take away from Chebe. There are other things that can strengthen your hair as well, but this is what Chebe does. So if you want to use Chebe, feel free to do so, but do it in the right way. And one thing you must note is that these women don't apply Chebe on their scalp. So there's a reason to that, because it can be irritating to the scalp. And I've seen some people who said they don't feel anything on their scalp if they use Chebe. It does not do them anything. I, for one, I don't use Chebe on my scalp because I have a very sensitive scalp that all I do with my scalp is just water or tea rinse and oil. I don't even apply shea butter or any butter to my scalp because I have a very sensitive scalp. So the only thing I put is water and oil. So, having said all this, I hope you find this video informative and probably answers most of your questions that you have about Chebe. If there are other questions I probably did not touch on, you can put it down in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer your questions. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like, just hit that like button so that this video can go to other viewers. And also, if you're just watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed to my channel already, you are a regular viewer, God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for loving my channel. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your support. Till I come your way in my next video. Bye for now.